I got a new fan for the gazebo, and I decided to bring it to St. John with me so my sister and I could put it together. We thought it was going to be a very complicated process, only to discover the actual fan is already together, all ready to hang, with the exception of deciding, do you want a long or short hanging bar, and put the mounting brackets up if your gazebo is not already equipped. So, follow along, keep watching as we discover a big complicated task was truly quite simple, but we still had fun doing it together. Stay tuned for part 2 when she actually hangs the fan in her own gazebo.
I will take a video.
Yeah, like, but.
Oh! Oh, yeah, we can keep that part.
There's 4. Oh, just like it's got 2.
Oh!
You wanna? Oh, it would change the.
Oh, yeah, because this would be like more the bluish light.
I would think
be
so,
more
right?
Yellow.
And then you can have. Short one and a long one.
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
Oh, cool.
Sure.
That's a cool color?
Or oh, 2.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, so yeah, so it does go over.
And then it doesn't say anything about the 2 lampshades.
Two different ones.
I checked.
And then it has remote.
That is so cool. And it has a bracket for the remote. Yeah. Cool. Oh, great.
Well,
I will definitely.
stay tuned for installation later.
Do you want to put that one up there too?